Here we go, guys. Oh my god, bro, this is gonna be so hard. I mean, it's gonna be easy because you got aim assist on mobile. Reason I'm on PC right now because I had to get off. But mobile's fun. Mobile's kind of fun. If y'all haven't seen my mobile 1.low video, go check it out. Check it out. It really... Oh yeah, no, I'm pushing, I don't care. If I die a lot, that would be dope. Maybe my pumpy wumpy. Makes bad. No, come here, buddy. I'm walking so slow. I was walking so slow, bro. I was walking so slow. What happened? Why was I walking so slow? The freak. Guys, count me as the best mobile. What the freak are you doing? What is this? Oh, the spawns are broken in this game. Why can I not hear nothing? Following you all the way up and I can't hear nothing. Yeah, the spawns are broken in this game mode. Big gamer moments. Whoa. 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 Chill. Help me. Oh god. Good. My teammates are not even doing nothing. All they're doing is go. Thank you. Get your chin chin out of here. Get your chin chin out of here. Huh? This fucking sucks at Fortnite. Oh my god, bro. Count me as the best mobile player. No, don't count me as that, because you know, I suck at the game, kinda. I suck at 90s, by the way. Don't call me the god. You got the guts. You don't have anything to do. Kill me. Bro, what the freak? Stupid sweaty try hard. Suck at your game. Hey guys, look at this. Hey guys, look at this. If I had a sniper, so I can sniper for it. Oh! Hurry up and kill me. Hold up. Someone's in this box. I know it. Edit that. Let me just take this spot. Oh, my phone just got darker all of a sudden. Oh no. Gotta stay behind this wall before I get spammed. Teammate! Bro, this kid is no savage. Yeah, you're not no savage. You just died. Trash. Oh no, he didn't. Yeah, you're out. My team bad? Yeah, I know. If you're watching this video, I'm kidding. They knew. No, they probably just knew I didn't do the games. So that's probably why they're not good. They're just new at the game. Yeah. They're just new to the game, bro. Why you gotta make fun of them? For that, I'm gonna go kill you. Let me keep talking to him. He just insult a bit noob. How dare you? Fat Paps. Fat Paps. Fat Paps is dead. He died. Fat Paps is dead. He died. 1-1. I want a number 1, sir. Bro, you're my number 1. Chill, Big Smoke. That's sad. New. Hey guys, look at this. I'm tapping the edit, defeat. I never mind that. Hey, back to the defeat because I have to kill your forward. They need to fix this. No, they cannot fix. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad, bro. He's mad. He's probably mad. He's probably mad because he died. I killed him for. Guys, is it surprising I killed him for 5 rage? With that much damage? Bro, that's so cool. That's so cool, guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Shawty, what the frick are you doing, bro? Why are you? Bruh. 2 of my teammates died. Nice. Whoa. My money, but it don't save me. I get up. Four-range shotgun shooting suck, bro. Good thing there's no taunting in this game. GG. Okay. Well, my team is whatever. He made fun of your teammates, but this kid made fun of his own teammates, bro. I can't, bro. He made fun of his own teammates. Oh my god. How surprising. Made fun of your own teammates. Excuse me. Insult them. Call them bad. But it's more intrusive mobile. Because whenever you shoot at whoa. Bruh. Ain't about time. Kid. This kid think he has aimbot. You know, people play this game, they stupid to realize that we got aim assist in this game. Do y'all know that when people start playing this game, they just say, "Oh, you got aimbot." It's not even aimbot, it's aim assist. What are you talking about, bro? Chill, bro. I'm editing, bro. Off my screen. My god, bro. I hate editing. No, guys, I always got shut down on mobile. Damn, that's fun. Dang, that's sad. Anybody just got shut down on mobile. I don't know how to feel about that. Aimbot died. Rest in peace, aimbot. I meant Zone Warriors, not aimbot. Guys, totally did not say aimbot. Somebody shotgun. My shotgun must be trash, bro. Cause we know in the comments, is this vice shotgun trash? Choose it or not? Oh god. But the bouncer just disappeared. Man, you can't even put a bouncer on the enemy's there. That's what you do in Fortnite. Why the zone where it doesn't work? It died. It died. It died. That's what I say. When games are done, I say they die because they're dead. I need to stop using the same shotgun and use a different one, like the pump. But wait, what to do that? Some way is fun. Now y'all spamming it. Makes it trash because y'all just spam your ARs. Like that's what you do. What the freak? I'm gonna say. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Pump. 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 Pump it up. But alright, I don't trust that lighthouse. Guys, don't ever trust lighthouse and shoot it. You don't ever trust lighthouse and shoot it. So everyone is mad in chat, being salty because they keep dying. I'm done with this game. I'm done with this game. I'm ending this video.